Sick of juggling 10 apps just to share one link? What if one dashboard could replace them all and actually make you more clicks, not more headaches? Stick around. I'll show you Toliyos, the Swiss Army knife for your online presence. No, it won't host NASA, but it might save you from crying into your coffee. Hey, I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. I've been doing affiliate marketing and SEO for 6 years, building profitable funnels and testing tools so you don't have to. Today we're doing a straight no-fluff review of Toliyos, what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your money. Quick heads up, I've bundled some exclusive bonuses you can grab if you buy through my link. Check the description below. These are hand-picked to supercharge Toliyos and save you time. Don't miss them. What is Toliyos? Toliyos is an all-in-one link management platform. Think bio link pages, URL shortener, custom QR codes, Vcard links, file links, event links, analytics, and more, all from one dashboard. Core benefit: manage your entire online presence from a single place. Target audience: creators, affiliate marketers, small businesses, agencies, and anyone who wants cleaner links and smarter tracking. How it works: 3 easy steps with a little humor. Step 1, create. Set up a bio link page or shorten a long URL. It's drag and drop simple. Step 2, customize. Add branding, password protection, SEO tags, or a QR code. Make it yours. Step 3, track and optimize. View analytics, schedule links, and rotate A/B links to get more clicks. That's it. You don't need an IT degree or a caffeine IV. Benefits breakdown: real painkillers, stop link chaos, one dashboard for every link and asset. Boost clicks, short links, A/B rotation, and SEO-ready bio pages help lift engagement. Brand control: custom domains, removable branding, and design options make your links look professional. Security and privacy: password protection and sensitive content warnings keep you compliant. Analytics that matter: location, device, UTMs, referrers understand who's clicking and where they come from. Save time: projects, file links, and Vcards are reusable and trackable. No more repeating work. Front-end option: one-time low price, $17 for the starter commercial license, or $24 one-time for the fuller pro setup. Compare that to tools that charge $10, $30 per month each for shorteners, QR code makers, and analytics. Toliyos is a one-time bargain if you plan to use it long-term. For solo creators, $17 feels like pocket change for the convenience. For teams or agencies, the $24 plan gives more headroom. OTOs, quick guide and who needs them. OTO 1, reseller license 60, lets you sell Toliyos to clients. Use case: agencies or affiliates who want to package and resell link pages. OTO 2, booster, notification and campaign suite, 1727, adds social proof pop-ups, countdowns, and advanced campaign features. Use case: marketers who want to push conversions on landing pages. OTO 3, reseller booster, 100, 500 licenses, $79, including $99, unlimited visitors, campaigns, and sites, plus custom HTML notifications. Use case: bigger agencies or white label sellers. I ran a week-long test, built a Toliyos bio link for a client funnel, added 2 trackable file links, and a QR code for a webinar sign-up. Result? I saw a clear uptick in CTR, roughly a 20% lift on the primary link in 7 days, and the analytics helped us tweak the call to action fast. Not a miracle, but real. Measurable improvement from cleanup plus tracking. What it's not: Toliyos is not a full website builder or a CRM replacement. If you need e-commerce carts, heavy CRM automation, or advanced landing page funnels with built-in payments, look elsewhere. Toliyos shines at links, tracking, and branding, not replacing everything you own. Imagine this: one dashboard, 0 link headaches, more clicks, and clean branding that makes you look pro. If you're tired of hopping between 5 apps to post one link, Toliyos is the shortcut you want. I like tools that save time and drive results, and Toliyos does both. Grab it through the link in the description now and claim my exclusive bonuses to get even more value. These bonus bundles are limited. Don't sleep on them. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tool tests, and drop a comment telling me what tool you want tested next. I read every comment. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. Keep it simple, get smarter, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go make that bio link actually work for you.